Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa. Today we are going over the 2024 Starcraft GSL 264 RLS. Now let's step inside and explore the interior comforts that await you in the GSL. The living space invites you to unwind with theater seating featuring power recline, a sofa, an entertainment center that features a fireplace and a large TV. In the kitchen, you'll discover a culinary haven with a large oven, a 3-burner range with a flush mount glass cover, and a residential microwave. Solid surface countertops and stainless steel appliances add an elegant touch. And this one has a freestanding table with 4 seats and tons of legroom underneath. Into the bathroom, you can freshen up and rejuvenate, where every detail has been considered to enhance your comfort. It also features washer dryer prep. Moving into the bedroom, you can rest easy in the spacious 60 by 80 inch residential queen bed, complete with an adjustable power base for your ultimate comfort. It also features tons of storage. Now let's head outside and dive into the robust construction of the GSL fifth wheel. It's designed to withstand the toughest challenges of the road, starting with the PVC roofing membrane that boasts a limited lifetime warranty. To ensure a tight seal on your slides, the GSL features the AccuSlide slide system with 42-inch deep, 4-corner compression, providing security and peace of mind for your travels. For year-round comfort, the 4-season package offers double insulated baggage doors, ducted heat to the underbelly, and R38 reflective foil insulation in the ceiling and underbelly. This one also features an incredible outdoor kitchen with a sink, mini fridge, and griddle. Makes cooking outside a breeze. Overall, this one is a great option if you're looking for a fifth wheel that's got all the features but isn't going to break the bank. If you want to learn more about this one, come check out our website, premierrv.com, or if you want to see any other models we have, you can also call the number on screen now or come visit us in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think about this one. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.